Hello viewers and listeners. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to create a table in Microsoft Office Excel 365. On that table, I use this assign formula that is known as the arcsine function of real number values. First, I open Microsoft Excel 365 application on my computer from the search button, and here the file name is book2. From the file tab, I click on the new workbook and the book 2 worksheet is open and the name of the worksheet is sheet 2. Here I change from the rename option, right click on that, and from the rename option I change the assign function. Now I create a table structure with some column names, serial number, input value, SN in radians and SN in degrees, SN H value. So for that, I, I type some values of real numbers between +1 to -1 because SN gives you the angle in radians whose sign is the given number. In MS Excel 365, the SN function is used to return the arc sign, means inverse sign of a number, and the number are the reals. That means the result is given in radians. Here I type the values from A22 to B27. Means six values are I type. So here I type the first value, input value 0.1, and the second value is 0.5, third value is 0.3, and fourth value -1, fifth value is 0.6, and sixth value is 0.1. If we now I apply of each input value to calculate the ascent formula to convert these angles into radians. For that, I take a new column of C, and here the first cell of C is C22, and here I type the syntax which is assign and give the range of this column B22, B27. And after typing that syntax or formula, I press enter, and that will give the result in radians. Means the angle will convert into radians. And from there, I drag from cell C22 to C27. This will give the results automatically. Means this cell takes the function of above, which I type in the cell C22. Means this column gives the value of the angle in radians. Now I want to convert the angles into degrees. For that, I create a new column, column D. And here in column D, cell D22, I type the syntax degrees C22 to C27, give the range of column number C, and press enter. This will give the result, means in degrees. Means the angle is converted into degrees. So in from cell D22, I drag to the down to the cell D27. This will give the results also in degrees. If you take another value, or means if you take some more values and also change the values in degrees, you can take and also change. And in the last column is I take the ascend value. That means this function is used to calculate the inverse hyperbolic sign of a number. So for that I type assign h and give the range from B20 to B27 and press enter. This will type the value of real numbers. Now drag from E22 to E27 and this will give the results and take the function from the cell E22. At last, I drag whole the table from A21 to At last, I change the format of a table. For that, I select the whole table and go to the home tab, and from home tab, I go to the cell styles. And here, I go to the check cell option and explanatory and good calculation, data and model. Here, I select any one of them. Now, I select the neutral. This will show like that means I change the table with the data cell styles. So now I SN based table is ready. I have successfully created this table and this table is used in trigonometry, physics and data modeling to find the angles from sine values. Thanks for watching and listening. Keep learning and practice this on your Excel sheet at home. If you like this video, please like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you.